Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can reset display settings on Windows 11. So let's get started. In the Start menu, right-click onto it and then simply select Settings. Now inside Settings, simply tap on System, then select Display. Now scroll down until you see Scale and Layout and make sure it is set to recommended value. Now do the same for display resolution as well. Scroll down, then tap on Advanced Display. Scroll down to choose a refresh rate. Click on this drop down and then select the highest refresh rate available for your display. Once that's done, you can close the settings window. There's one quick step that can help. To reset your graphic drivers, hold down Windows, Control, Shift key and the B key, and your screen may briefly turn black or flash. That's normal, and it means that your graphics driver has been reset. And that is simply how you can reset display settings on your Windows. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.